Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into the town of Port Maria. Now Port Maria is on the north coast of Jamaica. It's the capital of the parish of St. Mary. And that means it's between St. Ann and Portland. Okay, now Port Maria is a small town. St. Mary is one of the smaller parishes. But we are currently on the Northern Coastal Highway driving into Port Maria. So remember, the Northern Coastal Highway runs all the way from Portland to Negril. It's the main road on the north coast of Jamaica. So that's where we are today, on the north coast. Now Port Maria is, as we said, the capital of St. Mary. It has a population of about 7,500. The entire population of St. Mary is 115,000. And Port Maria was the second city established by the Spanish back in the day. So that can tell you just how old this city is. It was originally called Puerto Santa Maria. And then when the English took over Port Maria, they changed the name to Port Maria, a more English name. Alright, so on the left you have the two gas stations, the Epping and the Cool Oasis. And those usually indicate that you're heading into the town itself. Now the town is, as we said, a small town. St. Mary has a lot of small towns, but when you talk about major infrastructure, you're talking more, the next town would be Port Antonio or Ocho Rios. Port Maria is just a small town on the way or in between those major towns. Alright, now Port Maria has some infrastructure. It has a police station, it has a courthouse, it has a because it's the capital of St. Mary. It has a very how would you say now, historic courthouse. It has been around for a very long time, from the 1800s. It has a lot of very historic architecture because this town was around from the days of the Spanish. Alright, this is the JPS office we're coming up to on the left. And we're heading into the town center now, what they would call Main Street. There was a high-low supermarket up here, but it closed down. And Champion, they have a lot of supermarkets on the north coast. They have one in Falmouth, they have one in Ocho Rios, and they have one in Port Maria now. There is a KFC in Port Maria, so anywhere you see a KFC, you know there's a lot of activity. And there's also a bank. I'm not sure if it's still open, but there was NCB had a branch, and Scotia had a branch in Port Maria, but there were some branch closures recently, so I'm not sure if those branches are still open or it's just the ATM machines that are there. But basically Port Maria, with 7,500 people, you're going to find supermarkets, restaurants, stores that sell stuff, bars, those kind of things. And of course you're going to have a lot of schools, and it's going to be a transportation hub when traveling on the north coast. So this is the main town itself now. As you can see, a very busy place. Of course, you know, in Jamaica, these buses and taxis just stop anywhere at any time. So on the left and the right is just commercial stores, supermarkets, those kind of things. On the right, that's the new plaza. That's where the Champion supermarket is now. It used to be a high-low. High-low used to be in that plaza, but they closed down, and Champion is now the supermarket over there. As you can see, it's a little town, but as you can see from the drive-through, it's a small town. Now, Port Maria had issues with flooding the other day. Every time it rains heavily, it floods. I'm not sure. Some drain work should have been done, so hopefully that has been corrected. And also, Port Maria is on the coast. It's literally on the coast. And remember, back in the day, though everything was done by ship, so that's why most, or almost, because I don't think the majority of the parishes in Jamaica, the capitals are port cities, or what used to be port cities. So they are basically located on the coast. So Port Maria is the exact same thing. It's right on the coast. Alright, this is a northern coastal highway. We're going to enter Port Maria from another direction. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. And remember to like, share, and subscribe at the end of the video. Have a nice day.